Good evening, everyone. In this video, we're going to have a look at how we can interpret set data within or using a Venn diagram. So notice on this question here, we've got what's called a Venn diagram. And the three sets that we have with the Venn diagram is we've got a universal set here. So this set, you could think of it as a container of all of the information that will be used within this question. Now inside set U, we have two subsets, and subset 1 is called set A, and the second subset is set B. Notice that each member of the universal set U is arranged in either set A or set B. So what we're going to look at in this question is identify which pieces of information or which items belong to which set. So considering the Venn diagram shown, let's see members of this set. So firstly, I'm not going to jump into part A, B, and C and whatnot. Rather, I'm going to list all of the sets. So let's say set U, the universal set. Oops, my computer's gone a little bit crazy there. Alright, going back. We can say set U is equal to A, so this guy here. There's a B, a C, D, there's an E, F, G, H, I, J, and the K, and that seems to be all of them. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. So set U could be written as in braces A, B, C, all the way up to J, K. Now jumping into the question, list the members of the set. So for part A of the question, it's asking what's in set A. Well, looking at the question, set A is associated. Set A is associated with all of the contents inside this circle here. And so I could write that as set A is equal to everything inside the circle called A, and that is A, E, C, I, J, so 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. What am I missing? Missing F. So like that. So list the members of the set. For set A, it is A, C, I, J, and F. Now for B, it's asking what's in set B. And I'm going to do the same method and look at what's in the contents of the circle denoted by set B. So I'm going to highlight, oops, actually I can't highlight it, so we'll just have to go with it. So we'll say all of these members in here are for set B. So we've got C, D, G, H, and J. So set A was A, C, I, J, F, and set B was C, D, G, H, J. Now this is where it starts to get a little different. Notice that it's not asking for set A here, it's asking for everything outside of set A. So when we see this symbol here, the comma above the letter denoting the set, is the complement of set A, and the complement of set A is everything that exists outside of A. So looking at the universal set, there's A and A, but B is not part of A, so I'll write B. And then D, E, F is a part of it, G is not a part of A, so I'll put down G. H is not a part of A, and I and J are a part, and K is not. So the complement of set A is B, D, E, G, H, and K. Now similarly, we're looking for the complement of set B. So what's inside set B? Well, it's C, D, G, H, and J. What is outside of set B? Well, we've got A, B, and C, D are in it. E and F are outside. And G, H, J, so I and K. So everything outside of B is the complement of B. So we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6. Perfect. Now moving down to E. And what we've got is A, B, and there's a funny symbol. So this symbol here is the intersection. So what is common between sets A and B? Well, looking at what is common, we look at the area where the two circles overlap, and inside that area it is C and J. Or another way we could ask ourselves is what two members of sets A and B are common between both sets, and that is C. So one's here, one is here, the other C is here, and J, so 1J and 2Js. So that could be said the union of A and B is C and J. Now we're looking, the intersection I mean. Now the next one is we're looking at the union. So the union is done with like a big U symbol. And the union is everything inside set or both sets A and B. So everything inside these circles is A, not B, we've got C, we've got D, we've got G, I, J, H, and F. So it should be 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Perfect. So the union of A and B is A, C, D, G, I, J, H, F, or everything inside either circle A or circle B. So in summary, what we've looked at here is how we can analyze a Venn diagram containing a finite set of data and understand how each set within the Venn diagram interacts or relates to other sets.